Hey everybody, Scott here, Bolt It On. There seems to be a little bit of confusion lately on how to order a build your own kit. So what you do is you're at the home screen and then you go to shop kits. And then you pick here if you want to build your own van kit or build your own toy hauler trailer kit. For this example, we're going to do a build your own toy hauler trailer kit. So here it gives you a list of what comes in the base kit. In the base kit comes 2 leg supports, 2 quick ties, 2 J hooks, and then below is where you pick your crossbar. So let's just say you want to do a custom crossbar. It's going to ask you for a variant. Here's where you're going to pick your custom crossbar there. And then let's say you want to do a dirt bike chock, an extended dirt bike chock. Here it's going to ask you for a variant again because we have options. Let's say you're going to do the 10-inch. And then let's say you want to add in here the roll-on chock. Okay? You go to the bottom of the screen. It's going to ask you to add to cart. So you add to cart. This is where you select the quantity. So let's say you want more than 1 dirt bike chock. So you're going to click here. Let's say I want 3 of those. And then you want 1 roll-on chock, but you want 2 extended. You click on that. And down at the very bottom, it says note to bolt it on. This is where you're going to put your crossbar size. So you're going to put, let's say I want an 86 inch. You put 86 inch. And then you hit checkout. And then this is where you finish the checkout process.